Hello everyone, welcome to Unified Study. So in our last video, we did all this gate question from digital logic combinational circuit. Now in this video, we will discuss the multiplexer. Here all the questions are done. Okay, must watch the previous video of gate playlist. There is a 15 days crash course of gate playlist. There you will get it. Today we will do the multiplexer. Multiplexer is confirm area from where you are getting confirm questions. These all the questions I will explain you, so that you can get the confirm marks in multiplexer. Okay, so let's get started without wasting time. And those who are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. So here multiplexer, first of all you need to know the basic of multiplexer. So basic of multiplexer you can understand very easily. This is actually a 4x1 multiplexer. How the multiplexer is working, there are some input, these are 4 inputs and these are the select line. Through the select line, multiplexer is working always many to 1. So I am sending many input but I will get one output. So at a time any one input will be selected. Who will help you to select that input? That select line. So here the relation between select line and input will be there. Select line will select the input, which input is going to select. So here actually if I am using n select line, I can use 2 to the power n input line. How it's working? See that. Here S1 is 0, right? S1 is 0. These are 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So when 0, 0, I am going to select this is input, input 0, input 1, input 2, input 3. 0, 0 means I will select input 0. 0, 1 means I will select input 1. 1, 0 means input 2. 1, 1 means input 3. In this way, the multiplexer is working. If I have to use 8 input, then how many select line will be required? 3. Because 2 to the power 3, I can do 8. If I need 16 input, then 4. Because 2 to the power 4 is 16. So as per required input line, I have to use select line. Select line will help you to select the input line, and according to the input line, output line will be there, right? Now you can see this is actually the truth table where I am going to select one by one. This is your I0, I1, I2 and I3, right? So now here the final equation is very important. How we are getting the final equation, you can see here. Y1 means 0, 0 because it is your format of Boolean algebra, min term, max term, right? When 0, 0, this is 0, 0, that's why S0 bar, S1 bar, then I0. 0, 1, S0 bar, S1, then I1, S0 bar, S1, then I1. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 means S0 but S1 bar. 1 means direct and 0 means complement. That is the simple one. This is direct, this is complement, then I2. Then 1, 1 means both direct, S1, S0 and complement. This one you have to remember how the equation is coming. When 0, then complement. When 1 means then direct. This is the way we are getting the final equation. If you understand the final equation, then all question will be easy. Ultimately, you are getting this diagram like this way. I am going to select, because when I am getting, see that here I am sending here direct and here I am sending 0. Here direct, here 0. So whenever 0, 0, I will select like this. This is ultimately your circuit. Now come to the question. It will be easy. Through the question always our understanding is getting better. So here you can see 4 to 2 multiplexer. This is given to you. Now what will be, this type of question are mainly very popular where you have to do this one. I am going from easy to difficult level. So this is 2024. I will start from 2024 to 2014 to 2024, like that I am going. As per your understanding level, I selected the question. Okay, let's go one by one. Here how to get it? Here easy, see that. Here I told, right, this is I0, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. Just remember, when I am selecting 0, 0, this is selected. 0, 1, this one. 1, 0, this one. 1, 1, this one. This is as simple as that. So 0, 0, what is the equation here? what I am getting equation here. Whenever I will get 0 0, this is, you can see, whenever I am getting 0 0, actually my input I0, this is your I0, but instead of I0 they provide here the input is 0, means I0 directly I am giving input 0. So when this is 0 0, I am getting output 0 here. When it is 0 1, I will select I1. I1 directly it is given 1, means it is 1. When I am getting 1 0, then I2. So 1 0, I2 is R. That's why you are getting here R. When it is 1 1, then I will select I3, that is R complement. So I am selecting R complement. Now what is my output? Output is what? I told you, right? Function is what? Function is like that. S1 bar, S0 bar, then I0. Instead of I0, you have selected here 0. So that's why it will be 0. If you multiply this one with 0, I will get 0 itself, right? Now after that, what? This one is 0 bar, then S1. S0 bar, then S1. After that, you are going to select I1. Instead of I1, here is 1. Here is 1. So you will multiply with 1 directly. So it will be S0 bar, S1, then 1. Right? This one is 0. So actually, here we have written this 0 part is not done. This 0 part, as this is 0. So no need to write here, actually 0 plus S0 bar, S1, then 1. 1 means actually S1 is 0. After that 1 0. 1 0 means S1 S0 bar R. Right? That's why S1 S0 bar R. 1 1. 1 1 means S1 S0 R complement. Because in the R means what? R means it is actually I2. R1 means it is actually I3. So I2 is R. I3 is R1. Like this way directly you are writing. Now after writing this is 0, so I no need to write 0. Here instead of S1 is 0. What is the value of S1? P. What is the value of S0? Q. So here you wrote S1 bar equals to P1 bar Q. Here you wrote right here P Q bar R. Here P Q R bar. Now just simplification of Boolean algebra. Everywhere you need to apply the simplification. Last video also I told you the Boolean algebra simplification formulas are very important. Here you have to remember De Morgan's law, distributive law, and 1 plus anything is 1. Those properties very important. And last video I told you that A plus A bar B equals to A plus B. This formula always important. See that here we are applying this formula. Everywhere this formula will be required. Here just we take the common Q. After taking common you are getting here, then this one. Then just here you are applying this formula. Here we get Q P bar plus R bar, then this one. So if I am applying the formula, I am getting this one. After applying this formula, I will get simplified this one. Got it? I hope it is clear. So that's why finally your answer is this. This is your answer. Now come to the next. Next one is also same way. Just you are getting R, R bar, R bar, R. I will suggest you try to pause the video and try to do by yourself. Same way you will do it. Same way. There are combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here 0, 0 means I will select I0, I1, I2, I3. Instead of I0, write here R. Instead of I1, write here R bar, I2 R bar, I3 R. And instead of S1, you have to write here P. S2, you have to write here Q. You can do it. Try it. Pause the video. Yes, simple, right? Yes, this is the answer definitely. Here also simplification required. Right? Same way we will get the this one you are getting here S0 S1 bar R, this one. After that you will put PQ'R. Then here you have to simplify. Again the simplification is required. If I am taking common, this is actually directly from this formula also you can do it. What is this? This one is actually XOR. No need to do this second line also. Without this also Q bar P bar R plus Q bar P R bar plus Q P bar R bar plus Q P R. This is nothing other than XOR, because XOR at a time one is changing. See that here it was at a times. Here Q bar P bar R. Here actually Q bar is fixed. P bar only change. At a time one is changing. This is the direct equation of XOR 3 variable. When I am taking 2 variable, if I am taking 2 variable of XOR, what is happening? P bar plus R bar plus P. When this is 3 variable, this is the equation of 3 variable. Try to remember a little bit. Okay, this is the 3 variable equation for XOR. This is the 2 variable equation for XOR. So directly you can solve. This is actually XOR equation. Your answer is this one. Clear? Now see here, 2 multiplexer. 1 multiplexer you did. Now it is 2 multiplexer. When there are 2 multiplexer, how to do it? 2 to 1 multiplexers are there. These are the multiplexer given. Now here minimal sum of the product. What is this? This is also easy. Just first one you have to solve. Same way. Then whatever output of the first one you are using as a input in this one. So when P equals to, this is 2 cross 1 multiplexer. 2 cross 1 means what? P means I will get 0 or 1. 2. Q means also 0 or 1. So when 0, I will be selected this I0. There are 2 input, right? When one select line, 0 means you are going to select I0 and 1 means you are going to select I1. This is only, nothing else. So 0 means I am going to select this one. 1 means I am going to select this one. Here also 0 means I am going to select this one. 1 means I am going to select this one. First we will solve this one. After that whatever output, this output will be multiplied with this one. Then I will get this. Think it. Pause the video. Think it. You can do. After that I am giving you the answer. It's easy, simple, simple, simple. You can do. First try by yourself. Then only your confidence, you will get the confidence. You can. Yes. This is the way we will solve here. Simple way. Here whenever I am solving the first one, what is happening? As I told, see that. Here actually P bar. This is what? This equation will be what? Whenever I am getting P bar, then I am selecting I0. P bar means I0 is 0, so it is 0. Plus whenever I am getting P1, 0 means P bar, P1, so 1, P, then I1, I1 is R. So this is already 0, I am getting PR here, right? So ultimately from here I will get PR. This is the equation. So directly I will get here PR. Now for Q, what is happening? When I am getting Q bar, means it is 0 or 1. So 0 or 1 means when I am getting Q bar means this one is selected. This one value is R bar. So Q bar plus Q bar dot R bar plus Q. When I am getting 1, then it is Q. At that time this one is selected. This value is PR. So this value is PR, right? So you will get this equation. Q bar R bar plus Q. When I am getting Q, at that time I am getting this equation. This equation value is PR. So ultimately I am getting Q bar R bar plus PQ'R. This is the answer. Yes. Simple, very simple. Just take it easy. Don't make it complicated. Then it will be easy. Super. Chalo. Now see that here, this one. How to do it? Here whenever you are getting X and Y bar. How to do? Here also actually 2 multiplexer. This is working as the select line of this first multiplexer. This is working as the select line of this second multiplexer. Here this output is coming here and direct input you are giving here. Same way you have to solve. Same type of question. You can try it. You can try. It's easy, simple. You can do it. Just try it. You can do. Yes, simple one. Here also same way you will solve. Here whenever I am getting 0, this is 0 or 1. So 0 means Z bar, 1 means Z. When I am getting Z bar, what is the output here? This is Z bar. At that time I am going to select X, right? Z bar X, plus when this is Z, I am going to select this one, that is Y bar. So it is the input. Here this input is coming here. How this will be selected? When I am getting Y bar, then at that time this is selected. So Y bar, Z bar, X, plus when I am getting Y, then directly this one is selected. This is X. This is actually X. So this is X. It is happening, right? So ultimately here you will get Y bar, Z bar. Actually this was two part was there. I missed one part. Here whenever you are getting this direct, that is Y bar, actually at the time of Y bar you are getting total this input. So Y bar means it is Z bar X plus Z Y bar. Then plus whenever you are getting this Y, then direct X is coming. So it is X. So ultimately you will get this one, right? Now simplified it, Y bar Z bar X plus Y bar Z Y bar plus YX. Now see that Y bar means same. So it is Y bar Z bar X plus it is actually Y bar Z plus YX. This is coming. So now you have to simplify. Now see that any of the option is not matching. Y bar Z is coming, XY is coming. Now Y this is not coming. Same formula. A bar A plus A bar B equals to A plus B. That formula will be utilized. Here you can see it is XY plus Y bar Z plus Y bar Z bar X. This is coming, right? So you can simplify it. After simplifying this expression, you will get here this is XZ bar, because here XY is coming same way. Here you will get XY. Just apply this formula and you will get the answer here. Clear? Yes. After simplification you are getting this answer. Now see here this one. Whenever I am getting this one, how to do? This is a program given like that, simple program. Now what is this? This is half adder, priority encoder, multiplexer or flip-flop. This type of question is very popular question where you have to apply your understanding. What is this? Simple. What is this? If these are the variables are given, if X is 1, then you are going to select Y equals to A. If Y, then you are going to select B. This is actually happening here. It is nothing other than multiplexer. See that. Here what is this? 2x1 multiplexer. If X and Y is my output, here A and B. When X bar, then I am going to select B. When X, then I am going to select A. So ultimately this is multiplexer, nothing other than multiplexer only. So it is your answer, multiplexer. Right. Now see here, minimum number of 2x1 multiplexer required to realize this function. This is a function given. Assume that input are available only in true form Boolean constant 1 and 0. What will be happen here? How many multiplexer is required? How many select line? Actually 2x1 multiplexer realize. Here assume that input available only true, then constant is given. So what will be the answer here? Here just simplify here from the function. You will get the function. From the function you are getting this first multiplexer. I0 is B, I1 is this one. So output you are getting this one A plus B. In the second multiplexer you will get I0 is 1, I1 is 0. You will get A plus B. So ultimately you are getting output A plus B whole bar. So it is 2x1 multiplexer is needed here. To get it, you need 2x1 multiplexer, right? Your answer is 2. 2x1. 2x1, because without 2 you will not get, because here are 3 variable. You can see 3 variable. Using 3 variable, one multiplexer is not possible. Using two multiplexer you can do it, because when you are getting one select line there are two combination, right? But here are three, so three variable and combination is also different. If you are thinking here I will send AB and here I will send C, this will not work, because C bar you are going to select A plus C you are going to select B. You will get this type of equation, but you need this one. How you will get? You have to use two multiplexer, then only you will get it. In the first multiplexer you will select A plus B, second multiplexer you will send C, then only it will be possible. Now see here whenever I am sending a multiplexer, this is 32 register and the accumulator to regulate the data movement, such that when only this register will be moved to accumulator, the number of select line. Simple. This is register, accumulator. By reading this, don't be confused. Just 2 to the power n and n. That's simple thing. Here 32. Ultimately my input required 32. So you have to do log base 232. Simple way. Don't what is log? No, nothing required. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So ultimately 5 select line is required. How to make 32? 2 to the power 5 is 32. So 5 select line is required. Always remember, n select line can give you 2 to the power n input line. So when n input line is required, how many select line will be required? Just think 2 to the power what is this? So you have to remember. For this I am giving you one thing. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64. This is always important. 2 to the power 7 is 128, 2 to the power 8 is 256, and 2 to the power 9 is 512. The simple way, remember it and you can do everything. Yes, and 2 to the power 10 is 1024. 1024. Yes. Now here you can see this is the expression given to you. Which of the following Boolean function? This is the function given to you. Now out of these multiplexer, which one is the answer? This is you need to understand. Observe the diagram carefully. From which diagram you will get this answer? This is actually you need to understand. Observe it properly. Very important is observation. If you are observing properly, you will get answer very easily. Think, tick, tick, think it, pause it. Yes. See that here it is the expression given. M1, M2, M3, this is your expression. M0 plus M1 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6, like this expression is given to you. Now you can see whenever I am sending standard truth table, we know that X, Y, Z, I am going to select like this. Equivalent we will get like this. So option A will be correct here. Whenever you are sending this option A, you are going to select this M0 plus M1 plus M3 plus M2 plus M5. So your answer is this one, right? Here also this is one question. You can see this, the Boolean digital logic. Here this is given to you. This is a big multiplexer given to you. Don't be confused with the big. When you are able to solve the smallest one, you are able to solve the biggest one also. It's not at all difficult. Take it easy, it will be easy. Function is given to you. All the function is given. This is your Boolean function. Now which of the following set of values for x0, x1, x2, what value will make this equation? This is ultimate understanding. It is just like opposite one. Previously they gave here input and they asked you what is the function. Now it is given, the function is given to you. You have to tell that what will be the value of these x0, x1, x2, x3, so that I can get the equation. What is first of all directly put this equation. What will be my value? Same way, whenever I am getting a bar, then which one I am going to select? A bar, C bar, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This truth table you will make. Then A bar, C bar, I am going to select x0 like this way. Then try to think to the option, if I put these values, then can I get it? The best way. Yes. Here you can see the function. Whenever we are doing the function, then at the time of function we will get this value. Now after putting in the expression, just put it into the output, then you will get this value. Here actually, here see that direct multiplexer is this one, right? And here is another multiplexer. Here you are using another multiplexer. For this one you will get an equation. For this one you will get an equation. How to get the equation you have to think. And here this is the select line. This is actually 4x1 multiplexer. This is also 4x1 multiplexer. And this is 2x1 multiplexer. Right? So from 4x1 multiplexer, what will be my equation? A bar means I am going to select x0, A bar, C bar. Little bit effort you have to put because this is a 2 marks question. Here it will be A bar, C bar, then you are going to select x0. Here then 0 0 0 1, then you are going to select x1. Then 1 0 means you are going to select x2. Then 1 1 means you are going to select x3. Now see, in the place of x0 you will put here directly 0 because this is 0. In the put here you will 1. This is 1. Now here see that, sorry, 0 1 not. No. This is not 0 1. This is actually they provide like select line. This is actually from here you have to put the option. So you are getting this equation. Now here you will get the equation. Here what equation you will get? Here also same way, A bar, C bar, I am going to get x4. Then when I am getting A bar C, I am going to get x5. When this is 0 1 1 0 means A C bar, I am going to get x5. When this is 1 1 AC, I am going to get x7. This is done. Now after that again for this one is my input, one input, and this together is my another input. After that whenever I will get B bar, then this one is selected, means A bar C bar x6 plus A bar C x1 plus A C bar x2 plus AC x3. Then plus whenever I am getting B, then I am going to select this one, that is A bar C bar x4 plus A bar C x5 plus A C bar x6. This is x6 plus AC x7, like that. Now see, now you will multiply this and try to do the simplification. Then put this value, directly put the option. After putting the option you will get, okay, where I am getting this equation. You will see after putting this option here you will get this equation here. This is the best way. Okay, so like this you will get it. So your answer will be this one. I hope it's clear. Now tell me, you need next K-map or you want to move to another topic like data structure, algorithm, programming. This is also very important, from where you are getting so many questions. K-map is also very easy. I can quickly give you the K-map understanding and some questions of K-map, so that in digital logic you can confirm your marks. Then only 1 or 2 days left. I know that, very sorry for that. In between 1 week I lost, but very sorry. But I am trying to give you, I think if we are doing programming, some questions and data structure, algorithm, then you can get the marks there also. Okay, so let me try how much is possible. Hope for the best. We will meet in our next video. Stay tuned. Try to share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us as much as possible. I am trying to help you. Thank you. Thanks for being with Unify Study. I'm coming with my next video. Bye bye.